Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create Mern projects in minutes. No matter which Mern project you choose is going to be one of the four. First is e-commerce, then is one-to-one messaging like WhatsApp, which uses WebRTC. So the third one would be e-commerce is done, one-to-one social media. Third one is social media, basically allowing you to like others' photos. Fourth one would be Netflix or content, basically YouTube. So how it works is, so the thing which is common in all four is a login and sign up feature. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a GitHub of the login and the sign up, so that you don't have to create from scratch, and this is gonna reduce the friction of you creating new projects, so that you don't have to start from the beginning. You can just, if you want to do a social media app, you can just focus on the main part instead of creating the sign up login page over and over and again. So I guess in this way is gonna, first of all, is gonna save you at least 2 hours to do all that login sign up thing, because anyway if you get into industry you're not gonna get the sign up feature anyway. Like, I think someone else is gonna do, and you have to focus on a feature. So I guess this is gonna save you a lot of time, reduces friction, so that you can do more projects, and uh, make development more fun. So this is the problem which I face. So I'm gonna give you a GitHub link. So basically it's a template of the whole project. So when how it works is, you have to, I'll give you the repo. You have to git clone it. Git clone it, and you have to install all the you have to cd into front end and back end, and do npm I of all the node modules. So why you have to do that is because in GitHub you cannot put your node modules, because that's going to be 1 or 2 GB files. So I guess if you have cloned someone's project, you will know all this. If you are not cloned anyone's project, which is good, you can just check on YouTube on how to clone GitHub projects. It's the same thing. You have to go inside front end and back end, install the node modules, then do npm start in both of them, or npm run dev, or in backend it's node server.js. So if you have some idea about Mern stack, you will be able to do all this. It's not that difficult. So I hope you like this short video, and hope to see you tomorrow. Let's go.